Hello, this
Hello.
is me and my son Nicolas,
Hello.
and he's a huge fan of Lego toys. Here is his models and his box of pieces. He built his helicopter when he was 5, completely on her own. And 2 weeks ago we started thinking power it in some way, the helicopter. And we start to play with some pieces and thinking about it and complete the helicopter with an all electric motor from a electric tooth brush and with some wires and gears and shaft and another pieces install that mechanism in the helicopter, and here's the result. Go, show it, Nicolas. Open the door to show the mechanism.
Wait.
Here is the electric motor and an old wheel from a car acting like a clutch, a gear and a camshaft taking the movement up in the propellers. And here's the result. Good job, Nicolas.
Hello.
And here on the other side there is a switch to engage the motor on. Say bye, Nicolas.
Bye bye.